Morning. Good morning. Um, in criminal cases, particularly young lawyers must concentrate certain provisions of CRPC because at the time of imposing, normally in lower court, almost in petty cases, theft cases, despite your serious contest, the trial ends and conviction. So at the time of conviction, you have to check with your check whether the lower court is exceeding conviction, whether the lower court is imposing default of fine contrary to the CRPC. If he is being convicted for so many sections in a particular trial, whether the court is invoking a provision to run the sentence concurrently or not, or if he is giving conviction simultaneously on different cases, the court can uh, sentence him to run concurrently along with the other case. All these provisions are available in CRPC, and how much of a fine amount should be imposed, that is also there. For that purpose, you have to go through these provisions of CRPC. 427, so many 424, lot of provisions are there of sentence chapter. One particular judgment wherein uh, AAR 2019 Supreme Court 1009, Gagan Kumar versus State of Punjab. They say the accused was convicted for 217 and 304A. Separate punishment was imposed against the accused. That was the 6 month and to pay fine of 1000 rupees under section 279, and under section 304A 2 years and to pay fine of 1000 rupees. So the appellate court also confirmed that, and the revision high court also confirmed it. But the Supreme Court has said, in view of section 31 Code of Criminal Procedure, it is mandatory for the magistrate to specify as to whether the sentence awarded to the accused would run concurrently or consequently when the accused is convicted for more than one offence in trial. So they say, having had land counsel for the party on perusal of record, we are inclined to allow the appeal and to modify the order of magistrate. They have said that the magistrate must ensure compliance of section 31 when she convicted and sentenced the appellant for two offences in a trial, inflicted two punishment for each offence. So they say finally they did not interfere with the acquittal convictions, but they say both the sentence should run concurrently. This is most important. Kindly take down and keep it on your file. So the main for all of my viewers and young advocates, and also ask the veteran lawyers and crave the honorable judges to concentrate this aspect. And after all, woman is error. Sometimes what happened, my name is Dr. G. Krishnamurthy, KRASHASHNAMURTHY. So I am paying SMS service also if my case is listed. Despite all these vigilant and cautious steps to follow my cases, what had happened, in one case my name was printed as MORTHY, though my record shows it is only MURT. Probably that computer typist would have made a mistake. So that case was not listed to me. Then surprisingly, one of the junior noticed that, and then I have find that case and got it properly attended. Then what had happened now, with great difficulty, in original side I filed an application to set aside, to revoke the letter of administration, and it was originally listed before Justice Satish Kumar J. When I was attending the case, My hue and cry did not reach the court, and the court simply adjourned it. Thereafter, I did not find my case being listed. So I sent several e-communication to the original side, and also my juniors regularly approached, but there was no improvement. But what had happened actually, that case was subsequently listed before Justice Pongayappan on 3161 and 29 Finally, 29 it was dismissed. So I was surprised. The email communication also not responded, and I was not intimated. What had happened? My name was printed as KRINA. S was omitted in my name. So due to this omission of S, I did not could not locate my case being listed, because there is an option. We can't go every page because it is a paper book. Then we will allow one of the junior to follow whether any of the cases is listed in our name or not. But this what had happened, it could not be located. Then we put G Krishnamurthy, and sometimes I put Krishna MORTH also. But because in the Justice Pongayappan case, my S was since omitted, it was not noticed by me that the case was listed. But what had happened, even my SMS, I can't find fault with SMS, and I am also not finding fault with the registry staff who would have committed a mistake. It is an inadvertent mistake, because this uploading of caste list is being done at late hours. I regularly follow, sometimes up to 1 p.m. It is not being updated because of laborious work. So there may be a fault. So I humbly request the leaders of the bar as well as honorable judges. Sometimes I have heard that my communication is being referred to them when they are at leisure time. I request them kindly send the SMS to the councils for default cases, so that we can alert. Then immediately we will find out. Hereafter I will search my case. I may be alert. Search my case by Dr. G. CRI. Then I have to notice all those things. Sometimes what happen, in some cases there may be several respondents. Then I may be appearing for 14th respondent. That was also not could not be communicated to us. Whatever it may be, these all are practical difficulties. We should aware about this. And earlier there was a provision to communicate directly from the registry to the councils about their listing of cases. We are ready to pay for that if your service provider is engaged, instead of that service given by some Just Dial and some star costly providers. Whatever it may be, you have to sail with. So I am again filing an application to set aside that application. I do it. After all, we have to swim, and not only swim and reach the shore. We have to swim. Men may go, men may come. I will flow forever. We have to flow forever. It's all right. And then that would be my humble request. It is happy to. On the first day itself, I am vexed and returned back on 8th because of heavy crowd. This is my practical difficulties. Whenever I come out, I do not know, even though I am very much brave, the atmosphere is sickening me and not preventing me, even not allowing me to walk, apart from thinking and speaking, arguing the cases. Then the past process was now lifted, and we are freely allowed, and some more hurdles are there. We will get over that also. Best wishes, my dear friends.